Your home is full of electronics, quietly running until something goes wrong. A short circuit sparks, but protection devices keep your family safe. The right breaker can prevent disaster. Here's how. First, the MCB, or miniature circuit breaker. It detects overloads or short circuits and cuts off the power. Inside, a bimetallic strip bends, or an arc chamber breaks the current, keeping your wires safe. Next, the ELCB earth leakage circuit breaker. If current leaks to the earth from a faulty appliance, it senses the difference and disconnects the power immediately. This protects you from electric shock and fire hazards. Then comes the RCD residual current device. It works even faster. If someone touches a live wire, the RCD senses a tiny imbalance between live and neutral and trips instantly to protect you from electric shock. Here's a quick comparison. MCB protects against overload and short circuit. ELCB detects earth leakage. RCD offers personal shock protection. Each one plays a critical role. In modern homes, you'll often see all three, MCB, ELCB, and RCD working together for layered protection. Simple, color-coded, and essential. Want to keep your home and machines safe? Start with the right breaker. Like, subscribe, and comment on ELCB Automation. And tell us which protection device you trust the most.